Be alright.
I am Ashley34578, and Eternal is Vocaloid Nyan, and I'm going to show you a little bit of codes and a glitch. Mainly one glitch and a couple of codes. So,
Lila.
Damn. How you doing?
Stop right there. Alright.
so
Put your hands in the camera while I can see you.
thanks is for Imprisoned Phantoms, and I'm going to type that to show my friend.
Why don't you just stay like
And another one, I'm going to see if I have other codes too.
Where are your 2 pals?
Angela? They'll be here soon.
How soon is that?
I don't know. I have to call first.
How do I know you're not lying to me right now? How do I know they're not going to show up here in a minute?
I'm not lying to you, Dad. What are you gonna do with me?
Yeah, I have hardly any dead items. As you see, I have hardly anything. I still have no idea why that's there. I just really want to get this Body Part 10.
Go on in the living room.
I'm gonna give away I'm gonna give away one of my gloves.
Sit down.
No, what are you doing?
I'm gonna see how much it gives me. What else do you want? What else do you have?
Because Ray and Pooh are gonna be calling out here to see if everything is cool. And I'm not gonna answer.
And I am going to show you a couple of more things. I do not want to give away a lot of stuff. No one needs to eat it. I actually have a lot of rare items. Just like this, I just have a lot of den items rare items.
You
Oh.
can't believe the story to fucking when I was 17 years old and hadn't stopped accepting it.
I can't anybody here because she was mean.
Instead of sitting out there spying on me all night, why didn't you just come in here and say hello to your son?
He's not my kid.
So I'm going to show you a couple more codes, but I forget about them. I think there's Tigress, Core Coin. There's like a whole bunch for coins. And so many coins for codes. I have no idea for diamond codes. I only know like 2 because I forgot about the other ones. So yeah, that's pretty much all I know. And that's a silly item. I'm gonna check. Why do I need to be here? Well, I just forget about stuff and I forget about you. Yeah, sometimes I do YOLO to say hello. And sometimes I like to say lo 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 lo. It's pretty fun. Yeah, I'm gonna make it gigantic. You make me go crazy, and I'll never know what to do. Cause I'm going crazy, I'm going crazy. I don't know what to do. Going in my window, hey, how to make you scream. Call me maybe.
What are you doing?
Recording.
Your mom's only supposed to suck it in and choke on it.
Well, I'm making dinner. I mean, you can wait a little bit, can't you? No.
You didn't hear that comment, did you?
Yes, I did.
No, I can't wait. No, hey, I'm recording. Go to Crystal Sounds. Go down the slide. Well, I'll show you. I won't give early. I'm gonna go down the slide. First, I'm gonna change my animal. I'll show you what it is. And you change real fast. Okay? When you go down the slide, change real fast, and this will happen. A lot of times it works. It doesn't always do that. Oh, and you can buddy one of my buddies. Your username is Says2683. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, please tell me and comment it. I like doing this. Hello. Oh, it didn't work that time. I forgot to shapeshift while I was going down the slide. This time I'm going to do it. You have to do it. See, that's a glitch. Hi, Sue. No, some people are going to be in this video, but some people are new to Animal Jam, and I'm going to show them about Animal Jam and what it's all about to have fun and stuff like that. I'm going to get a lot of stuff on this, because I like to get Animal Jam stuff, and it's so fun. I'm going to get some high heels and stuff like that. Woo! Like puppies! And this is a little fun. Yeah, I like to get a lot of stuff. I have some brothers and sisters. I have only brothers at my house, I meant. And I'm gonna get a lot of stuff because I have a lot of money. I seriously have a lot of stuff because I can get a lot of money. I have so many items to get. Musketeer boots. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. I need to get some more shoes and stuff like that because I hardly have anything. I hardly have any clothes. Anything I can get. I hardly have anything of. So yeah, I need to get a lot more stuff. See all the stuff I got. I have 57 now. This is fun. And see you on my next video. Bye! I am making another video on Ashley34578, and I got some new items from last time, and I am wearing them, and I got this, and this, and this from my friends. Oh, and I traded this for something. Right now I am my boy Snow Leopard. And I like to play this a lot. And I got a glove. That's rare. It's a rare glove. And the heat wave party is until 36 minutes. It's pretty fun because people like to be in videos. And a lot of stuff like that. So I need to see the new bodies. It's probably someone. Unita is at Symbiosis and they just searched me and they putted me. I don't know why, but they did. It's a little fun when you get a little expression when you're reading like a story. And soon I'm gonna get off this because my dad's asleep. I'm a lot younger than my brothers, and I'm gonna show you an epic gen. I'm gonna show you an epic gen. I'm seriously gonna show you an epic gen. OMG! It is an epic den! I am recording this den, so he's happy. This is so cool. I can't believe she's offline. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, the last of animals. She's an eagle. I'm going to freak out. She is an eagle and a cheetah. I'm going to freak out. She is awesome. Okay, maybe a little bit too awesome. Even when she's offline, people like go to her den. I don't know why. So, yeah, mainly this is a fun den. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.